Alright, let's finish chapter 11 with, we're going to see indirect object pronouns, savoir and connaître, and I and on. It's going to go fast, you're going to see. Indirect object pronoun. So we saw direct object pronouns like I like Peter. Peter is a direct object. I like him. It's a direct object pronoun. So here we're seeing indirect. What makes a pronoun or an object indirect is if we answer the question to whom, for whom. There's a to blah blah blah. So for example, here are verbs that are going to take an indirect object after, like téléphoner à, parler à, répondre à, écrire à, montrer à, to call to someone, to talk to someone, to answer to someone, to write to someone, to show to someone. So every time you have a to someone, then it's going to be indirect object pronoun. As you see, call is kind of like the exception to call, because in French is to call to someone and in English is to call someone. Apart from these exceptions, then after, they're all pretty much the same. Here are our indirect object pronouns. Me, te, lui, nous, vous, leur. Me, te, lui, nous, vous, leur. So the M apostrophe and T apostrophe is if it's followed by a vowel or an H. We place them at the same way as a direct object pronoun. It's going to go before the verb. But if you have, so like here, but if you have a verb plus an infinitive verb, it's going to go just before the infinitive verb. Okay? Je lui ai montré la réception. I showed him the reception. Nous allons leur téléphoner. We're going to call them. Okay? Regardons des exemples. Hollande, that's the French president. Hollande téléphone à Obama. Hollande lui téléphone, to him. Okay? Obama répond à Hollande. Obama lui répond. Obama answers him. Ils ont écrit au Père Noël. Ils lui ont écrit. They wrote to him. Céline Dion montre ses enfants aux Canadiens. Céline Dion leur montre ses enfants. To them. So, Céline Dion, to them, shows her children. C'est bon? Alright, let's move to savoir and connaître. Savoir and connaître are two irregular verbs that means to know. Let's repeat them. Savoir, je sais, tu sais, il sait, nous savons, vous savez, ils savent. Connaître, je connais, tu connais, il connaît, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils connaissent. Okay, what's irregular about them? Bon, here there's no V, huh? And here on connaître, it takes a little hat, this little hat, and it's short here and long here with a double S. Okay? C'est bon? Okay, let's keep on working. When are you going to use savoir? And when are you going to use connaître? That's a big question. Alors, I'm following your book, and then we're going to bring it down to a much easier rule. We use savoir with the knowledge of a fact. For example, je sais que tu es américain. Or to know something by heart. Je sais ma leçon de français par cœur. To know how to do something. Ils savent jouer du piano. Savoir is often followed by que, quand, pourquoi. Elle sait que j'habite Wilmington. Ils savent quand tu rentres. And when we use it with passé composé, it means to learn or to find out. J'ai su hier que tu venais à Wilmington. Connaître is to be familiar with. Je connais cette machine. To know a place. Je connais Marseille. To know a person. Elle connaît Jean Dujardin. So, and connaître cannot be followed by a verb or by que, quoi, like what, when, where, etc. Look, if we look at savoir, they all followed by a verb that you are American, except for the by heart. That's the exception. They know to play the piano. They know that I live in Wilmington when da-da-da. Here is a trick to remember when to use savoir. Savoir is I know what you did last summer, or I know how to play the piano. And connaître is I know Peter, I know this book, I know this table, I know this place. To connaître is followed by a noun because it cannot be followed by a verb or by que. And savoir is followed by a verb or by a that, by a what, by a when, and a verb somewhere. The short verb is followed by something long. The long verb is followed by something short. Let's see. For each one, can you guess if you would say je sais or je connais? Alors, it's a verb, it's je sais. Que tu es blonde. You have a what, a that, and you have a verb. Then it's je sais. Audrey Tautou, it's a noun, it's je connais. Lyon, it's a noun, je connais. Envoyer des SMS, it's a verb, it's je sais. Pourquoi tu aimes Wilmington? You have a why and a verb, it's je sais. Simple? Alright, our very last thing for today are the pronouns I and on. It is a little bit strange, you're gonna see. I and on. I replaces a place already mentioned, like there. Je vais à Paris et j'y reste 2 semaines. I'm going to Paris and I'm staying 2 weeks there. Okay? I means there. We know it from il y a, right? There is, there are. Basically, il y a means it has there. Let's try to translate. To work on the word order. So the word order is going to be the same as direct object pronoun and indirect object pronoun. For I and for all of it the same. That's why you have a cheat sheet about it. Let's work on it. I am going there is going to be j'y vais. Je y vais. I went there. J'y suis allé. Like J apostrophe, Y suis allé. I'm going to go there. Je vais y aller. Right? You say I'm going to. Then after you put there here and then go. Je vais y aller. Let's look at on. On is a tiny bit more complicated. On replaces du, de, la, di, I, L apostrophe, un, une, des, plus a noun. Basically, it means some of any or any. As-tu mangé du poulet? Oui, j'en ai mangé. I ate some. It replaces a quantity plus a noun. Of it, of them. That's what it means. As-tu un chat? Oui, j'en ai un. I have one of it, one of them. As-tu beaucoup de chats? Oui, j'en ai beaucoup. I have a lot of them. It replaces de plus a noun plus something. Parler de, avoir envie de, avoir besoin de. Je parle de la France avec toi, mais j'en parle pas avec Paul. I don't speak of it. J'ai souvent besoin de café le matin, mais j'en ai pas besoin le soir. Of it. I don't need of it. Okay? How about if you have both I and on? How are you gonna know in which order to place them? I'll give you a trick. I on, like a donkey. I on, okay? Combien de chats est-ce qu'il y a? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zut. Il, I, en a 5. There are 5 of them. So it has there 5 of them. Complicated word order in French, huh? Don't get used to it. Okay, so remember, if you need to put both, I on. Let's try a short exercise. Vous discutez les lieux touristiques de Paris avec l'employé de métro. Complétez le dialogue en répondant aux questions avec les pronoms I ou on. You want tickets? So you're going to think for each one, is it a place or is it of it, of them, some of it, some of them. Do you want tickets? What are you going to put here? I want some of it, of them, all, right? How many do you want? I want 2 of them, all. Again. Vous allez au Louvre? Well, le Louvre is a place. Non, je n'y vais pas. We put the why here, hein? Vous êtes déjà allé au Louvre? Non, je n'y suis jamais allé. We're replacing le Louvre, it's a place, is I. Comment? Mais c'est un très beau musée. Est-ce qu'il y a beaucoup de vieilles statues au Louvre? Are there a lot of old statues in the Louvre? Yes. There are a lot of them. Il, I, en. So let's repeat. En, I, en. Et voilà. I think we're done with the chapter. We're done with chapter 11.